Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is reviving Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad. To revive Sunnah of Prophet, we must know it first. Prophet was number one, Siddiq and Amin. We must follow this 100%. Number two, super fit. We must control ourselves with diets and exercises and must be super fit. Number three, always ready in a soldier's uniform and ready to ride the horse with sword and shield, etc., to defend himself as well as Ummah by all means according to that time. We must be always ready to defend ourselves according to modern time. Think of what the Arabic thobe, what rest of the Muslim Ummah proudly wear it, which is up to the ankle, from the shoulder to ankle. And can you run? Can you jump with one hand, in one hand sword, another hand shield, and jump on the horse with that? Can you run fast? Or you need something like trousers or shalwar or pajamas type of things. And who invented pants, patloon, trousers? Perhaps it was originally invented by Muslim in Zhejiang province in China. We need to confirm that. Later on, Ottoman Empire, they improved that trousers and other clothing and provided to their soldiers. Later, British Empire improved further and gave it to their armies, soldiers. And later, now American Empire and all around the world soldiers. Look at them, how they are protecting themselves, and Marines and all those things, bulletproof, bomb-proof, all those guards in the. You have to think of even their vehicles, armored vehicles, bomb-proof, bulletproof. We need to be up to date according to modern time. Number four, taught us Quran only. We must teach the Quran only along with its translations. Number fifth, follow the Quran only 100%. We must follow the Quran. Jummah khutbah and Salah is obligatory on every person to listen to it with full attention and pray as the top most priority, male or female, children or youth, young or old, unless there is valid reason, for example, extreme sick, or chances to increase sickness, or chances to spread diseases. And at the member of masjid on Jummah khutbah, what we need to decide. On the day of Friday for the Salah prayers, when call is made for Zikrullah. So on the member, on the Friday speech, it should be Zikrullah from the verse of Quran, explain in today's time how we can understand it and help the community. We have to make link, direct link with the Quran, not the hearsay. Not Abu Hurairah said, but what Allah said. It is a masjid, Allah's house. In Allah's house, on the Friday at the member must be reserved for Allah's saying. Zikrullah, not Abu Hurairah saying, not my saying, not your saying. Zikrullah, and in the light of Zikrullah, in the light of Quran, for today's problem. All hadith, Siyasitta, Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan al-Sughra, Sunan al-Tirmidhi, Sunan Ibn Majah are not authentic, cannot supersede Quran. since they were hidden for around 250 years after Prophet and were compiled thereafter, while commandment, Allah commanded Prophet peace be upon him, to proclaim his words, the Quran, as is without hiding anything, including Qul. For example, Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun, Qul huwallahu ahad, Qul a'udhu birabbin nas. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 3, verse 20, chapter 5, verse 67, chapter 5, verse 99, chapter 46, verse 9, chapter 69, verse 44 to verse 46. These heresies, all muhaddithin, they were from ancient Persian Empire during the time of Fatimid Khalifa, and they all have linked with Roman Empire and Crusaders. If Quran cannot convince you, nothing will. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 4, verse 37, chapter 7, verse 195, chapter 37, verse 23, chapter 52, verse 33 to verse 34, chapter 53, verse 56 to verse 59, chapter 56, verse 75 to 82, chapter 68, verse 44, chapter 77, verse 50. Return to Quran before it gets too late. Thank you.